how to set up a proxy server for Wi-Fi on Xiaomi. So if you want to set up a proxy server for Wi-Fi on Xiaomi, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you will find Wi-Fi. You need to tap on it. Once you tap on Wi-Fi, you need to just go with your Wi-Fi right here. You need to tap on it again or go with the arrow which will be on the right side, and you'll get all of these informations right. So you just need to simply go with proxy, which is right here. Tap on the proxy and you will have three options. You can go with manual, and under manual you need to enter the host name. So just tap on the host name and then enter the host name, which is example like proxy.example.com, and then you need to enter the port and bypass for, you can also enter the IP address which is required. So once that's done, just finally tap on the check mark which will be on the top right, and in this way you'll be able to set up a proxy server for Wi-Fi on Xiaomi. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.